Hey guys, so today I would like to show you a new feature that we have created. It's called the dynamic breadcrumbs, and you can add breadcrumbs to your pages where you have a page, a sub page, a sub page, a sub page, and so on and so forth, right? You will have maybe dynamic pages where you're connecting these, or in other scenarios where you can have multiple other ways where you want to create just a dynamic breadcrumb, right? So let me show you how you can get it done. And this is going to be fun because we have created a states page and then we have a cities page, and I'll also give you a bit of an SEO tip. So let's jump right into it. Okay. So this is the one. We have the code is also here, as you can see. This is it. This is basically the code, and this is the breadcrumb element. Where you can find it is you can search. If you are not sure where it is, you can search for breadcrumbs, and it will show you here. And you have the breadcrumbs over here. Whatever design you like, you can just click and select and put them over here. Amazing. Now make sure you have the ID of the breadcrumb as you want to set. In this case, I have used a dynamic page called cities, and we also have state items. Before we expand into it, let me actually show you how it functions. All right. So here you can see I'm on a state page. This is the Alabama page, as you can see in the URL as well. It's foodtruckprofit.com/guide/Alabama. And if I scroll down here, I can see all the cities that it supports. Again, this is dynamic as well. Now, if I go to a particular city within Alabama, as you can see, it creates this breadcrumb dynamically. Right now, this is the dynamic page, the same page as this. Right? Instead of Alabama, if we go to, let's say, California, and let me just take this out. I hope I spelled it right. Perfect. So we are in California, and as you can see, here are the different cities that it has where you can have these built. So let's go to Santa Clara, and as here you can see, it's again dynamic, right? So now since you know the functionality, let me show you how we have built it, right? So we have the city dynamic page where we have a city database, and we are getting that information here in the cities column. And then we also have a state data set which we actually are filtering. So let's see, we are actually filtering the states data set. Let's see all page data set. And this is the states data set. Let me show you the settings, and here we are filtering it, right? So we have a reference field in the state database where we are filtering same as a dynamic data set of the cities database. I know it can be a bit complicated. I'll create a much more in-depth tutorial, but this is just a quick overview, right? And then this is the code, right? This is nothing but an array of objects where you can have, if you want an icon, you can pass the icon, and you can have then the link. And if there's a label, so we are dynamically taking the label and we are adding the link as well dynamically based on the item in the database. And that's it. This is how you can set the breadcrumbs up. And this also helps us in the SEO process, as we can have the SEO in those particular orders. So we have the guide, then we have the state text, which is nothing but the state, and then we have the title. So while in SEO, we know it's a sub page within it, and you can create sub pages, so you can have a huge breadcrumb as well. And I hope you liked this. This was a very quick tutorial. If you need in-depth also of this, I'll be more than happy to write the code with it and explain each bit of it. Please let me know in the comments if you need a tutorial for this. And also, I might attach the code base for it as well if you want to use something similar. So let me know in the comments if you need this. I hope you like this, and thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.